Hello, my name is Daniel and today we will enjoy working on tutorial number 14. All the information needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video, so let's get started. We click File, New, we select Part, click OK, we put the name of the part, Tutorial 14, select OK, Insert, Body, right click, Properties, Rename, click OK, hide the planes, insert another body, select plane, select Sketch and select plane. Now we have to construct the exterior contour of our design, so we're going to start by constructing the first circle like this, and now we are constructing the second, the third, and the fourth. Perfectly. Now we have to constrain the circles. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. The radius of this one is 12. The radius of this one is 25. The radius of this one is 18, and the radius of this one is 17. I'm gonna arrange them a little to be closer to our initial circle in the middle. Now we need to constrain the circles, so we're gonna start by choosing constraint, and I'm gonna constrain firstly this one. Has a distance of 12, the horizontal line, and a distance of 44 on the vertical line. Right, that's perfect. This and one like this. We're gonna start with the lines. We're gonna select them both to be sure that by right clicking them and going to this option that they are horizontal. And now we're gonna delete the lines that we don't need, like these ones and this one. And now we're gonna construct the corner between these lines and this circle to not have these edges. We're gonna use corner like this. So here we're gonna put a radius of 7. We're gonna do the same on the opposite side. We're gonna choose corner, we're gonna choose the line in the circle, we're gonna choose a radius of 7. So our first construction is done here. Now we need to combine this circle to unite this circle with this one. So we're gonna choose this circle and this one, go to this option and put tangency. Select the circle and this one by holding Ctrl, go to this option and select tangency. And now we have to constrain it. This has a radius of 17. Now we're gonna do the same on this side. We're gonna select the circle and this circle by holding Ctrl and go to this option and select tangency. The same. Select the constraint options in the circle. Give it a radius 17. And here we're gonna do the same. So as you can see, as a first sight, you can notice that there are a lot of circles, but it will get the design in the end. Done like this, and this is 17 also. And now, what we are going to do is delete everything that we don't need by using quick trim. So we're gonna select this area, the interior area, exterior one, interior, exterior, and this is our design. Now we're gonna exit the sketch. We're gonna select function pad, we're gonna select the sketch, and we're gonna give it 10 mm thickness. Okay. So this is our first design. Now what we need to do is to construct the holes inside our design. So we're gonna click insert, another body, right click, define, copy the same sketch, paste it here, and we're gonna go inside the sketch, the new one. We're gonna select this option to not be able to select the background constructions. We're gonna select all the elements that we constructed earlier by holding Ctrl and clicking them. I'm gonna select this option in order for them to be constructed pointed. We're gonna select circle and we're gonna construct our holes. The idea with copying the previous sketch and pasting it is the fact that we already have the constructions, so our holes will be already constrained. We don't need to reconstrain them all, so it's much faster. It's theoretically we did the job before. I'm sorry, yeah, I didn't construct it properly. It should be okay. So this one has a diameter of 17. The same here. And here we have to construct, actually let's do the one in the middle. This one has a diameter of 32. Okay. And now we're gonna construct the one from this area. We're gonna construct one circle, the second circle, and two lines that are uniting these circles. Okay, perfect. You can select the point. If you see it that it's crossing like this, either you can select the line or the point, and you can select the point and the circle and go to this option and click coincidence, or you can trim it like this, trim it like this, in this area the same, trim it. Trim this one. Now you select the line by holding Ctrl to select the circle, you go to this option and you click tangents. Either way works the same. Depends how you think it works with you, or which one of them is faster for you. Perfectly. Now we're gonna select both of the lines. We're gonna right click and put them horizontal. We're gonna select the distance between these two circles. I'm not sure why I cannot choose this distance. Probably because of this. Yes. So we're gonna choose 6. Perfectly. And now we have to constrain the circles to put them a radius. So we're gonna choose 12. Oh, excuse me, not 12, 5. Okay, we're gonna exit. So these are our holes. Gonna select pad, select the sketch, construct them bigger than our initial design because we need to remove material. Select OK. Now, define tutorial 14, add body 3, all previous design, define again body 14, and remove the material from it. Click OK. As you can see, everything was put nicely in the history of our design. You can choose an isometric view for your part, something like this maybe. You can select tutorial 14, you can go here and choose a nice color. And this is our design for today. Thank you very much guys for having the patience to watch my video. I hope you guys understood something from our tutorial from today. If you didn't understood, you can leave a comment in the comment section. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and thank you very much. Bye bye. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.